Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to create a clickable and engaging thumbnail using CapCut and Canva. Let's get started. Go to Google, then search for Canva, and then to take you to the Canva website. You type YouTube thumbnail. You need to open so many different kinds of thumbnails from YouTube. You choose your preferable thumbnail that you want to use. You start editing the thumbnail. You take your time, you edit properly. You can remove whatever thing you want to remove that you don't like from the thumbnail, and you can include whatever thing you want to include in the thumbnail. You customize it to your suitable thumbnail, to your preferable thumbnail. You can change the alphabets from capital letter to small letters, whatever way. You just take your time, you play with those tools. You can change the size of the letters, the alphabets. You can change it from big letter to small letter. You can change it, the font. So this is the time you do the job. You create your thumbnail. Your video thumbnail is the first thing that they will see. The image, the write-ups, and all that. So create something that is simple with bold letters and eye-catchy, not so crowded with words, so they can easily see and read. Make it simple and clean, then you're good to go. If you don't want to put your image, you can still delete the current image or your own photo. You can delete, just save the thumbnail write-ups only, and then you click save, download. Then you go to CapCut. Once you open the CapCut app or from the website, you click create new. From create new, you click image. So from the image, you click new image, and then you search YouTube thumbnail. You click the YouTube thumbnail. So this is the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So that is why we are clicking the YouTube thumbnail. We'll now upload it here to fit in this size of YouTube thumbnail from this CapCut app. So what we do now, upload a photo from your device or your laptop, and then you click remove background. From removing background, you click auto remover, and then it will remove the background of the photo. And then you can now adjust the photo to fit into the thumbnail that you've already created. You can adjust the size to make the image look bigger. You drag the photo and position it to whatever place where you want it to be on the thumbnail that you've already uploaded here. So you can drag it to increase the size, adjust it to whatever way, left side or right side, up or down, to increase the image size. You can do all that. So once you're done with that, then you click download. Then your thumbnail will be downloaded and saved, and then you save it. So this is how our thumbnail will look like once we're done creating it. So this is how it is. Then you go to YouTube, you click your channel, view your channel, you click manage video, and then you click on whichever video you want to change the thumbnail. And you scroll down, you click change, and then you upload the new thumbnail that you've already created. Thank you guys for watching. Next week I'll be teaching you how to add end screen and cards in your videos. Don't forget to subscribe.